We're out here at Crooked Lake. We're gonna take up the G44 Widgeon. See how she flies. Haven't flown this plane in forever. So oh, looks like I may have a weed. Oh, maybe not. I'm gonna put a better radio in it though. Like I said, y'all know me. If I'm not talking, then I'm a little nervous. Got rid of the weed. She seems to be trimmed pretty good. Whoa. You want to work a little bit of rudder in when you're flying this plane. And like I say, just do touch and goes until you're completely comfortable with her. Get her up on step there. Wow. People are still firing their 4th of July fireworks there. This is one good flying plane. That's for sure. Try not to get the attention of a gator. Definitely don't want that. Oh, pancaked it. That was a good run there. Into the wind. One more time, we'll have to call it quits then. All right, well, there we go. That is the G44 Widgeon by Flite Test. Grumman is the company that makes it. You know, I don't know the specs off the top of my... Oh, the sandhill cranes are landing. Don't know the specs off the top of my head, but obviously she's made for water. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll put a link to the purchase of this plane. I do know she's on sale right now for $199. She was $239 or $229 when she came out new, so $30 or $40 savings. Hey, you can't beat it. And oh, just so you know, the two lights that are in the front motors there, those are mine. Everything else is stock. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.